Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.2 question number 2 part 1st. Concentrate your mind and listen my words. You can find the value of given polynomial by two methods. First, remainder theorem. Second, factor theorem. We know dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. It means Px equal to Gx multiply Qx plus Rx. Px is dividend, Gx is divisor, Qx is quotient, Rx is remainder. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. You can solve your question very easily. But you concentrate your mind and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.2. Question 2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for each of the following polynomial. First, Py equal to y square minus y plus 1. It is given polynomial. Firstly, you put the value of y equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? Next time you put the value of y is 1 in given polynomial. And next time you put the value of y is 2 in given polynomial. In this way you can find all solutions. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the solution first. Let Py equal to y square minus y plus 1, where y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 here. Y equal to 0 in first step. In second step y equal to 1. In third step y equal to minus 2. Clear? Here let Py equal to y square minus y plus 1, where y equal to 0. It means you put y equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? See the book. P0 equal to 0 square minus 0 plus 1. Put y equal to 0 in given polynomial. Clear? Put y equal to 0 in given polynomial. Given polynomial is Py equal to y square minus y plus 1. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. P0 equal to 0 multiply 0 minus 0 plus 1. It becomes 0 minus 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Answer. P0 equal to 1. It is your answer. You find the value of given polynomial is 1. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is easy? Very good. Next step. Solution. Let Py equal to y square minus y plus 1, where y equal to 1. Next time you put the value of y equal to 1 in given polynomial. It is clear? Given polynomial is py equal to y square minus y plus 1. Put y equal to 1. Clear? p1 equal to 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Put y equal to 1 in given polynomial. Clear? It become p1 equal to 1 multiply 1 minus 1 plus 1. It become p1 equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1. Cut. It become p1 equal to 1. Answer. Your answer is 1. Clear? You find 1 by putting the value of y equal to 1 in given polynomial. Here y square means 1 square minus y means 1 plus 1. 1 square means 1 multiply 1 minus 1 plus 1. It become 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cut. It become 1. 1 is your answer. Clear? You find the answer of second question by putting the value of y equal to 1. Clear? No confusion about it. It is clear? Very good. Next step. Let py equal to y square minus y plus 1. Where y equal to 2. Here you put y equal to 2 in given polynomial. Clear? p2 equal to 2 square minus 2 plus 1. Put y equal to 2 in given polynomial. It is clear? No confusion about it. You put y equal to 2 in given polynomial. Clear? It become 2 multiply 2 minus 2 plus 1 equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1. p2 equal to 4 and 1 become 5 minus 2. Subtract it. It become 3. p2 equal to 3 is your answer. It means you find the value of given polynomial is 3 when you put the value y equal to 2 in given polynomial. It is clear? You solve your all questions very easily. Clear? In this way you can solve any question by the help of this solution. Solution is clear? No confusion about solution? Very good. It is easy? Very good. Okay.